Hello guys, welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the Diamond deck, Diamond Finish deck, designed by Alvin Cheung from Sishou Playing Cards, printed in Taiwan by Legend Playing Card Company. Now it's quite reflective, quite hard to see, so I'm going to open this before we discuss it any further. So here we have the Diamond Finish playing cards. Now this is an embossed tuck, it's very reflective, very chrome finish like. All of this beautiful artwork all the way around the outside is embossed, and also these sort of lines that raise up from this artwork, they're also embossed. On the side here we have again embossed little diamond there, same again on the other side. The information at the bottom, that reflectiveness. Here we've got, this isn't embossed apart from the border, but it does have that chrome finished diamond look there. Very cool. Now this doesn't match up with the border, so I don't know if that's indicative of the quality of these cards. I don't know, I've not had any other cards from the Legend Playing Card Co. But we're going to open it up and have a look. So on the inside, very nice. Cool little touch there, sort of like a black with a little diamond there. The flaps and nothing on them. Let's get these out. Got a joker, looks a bit like a mirror with nothing in it. Straight into the ace there. So let's have a look at this end. A joker, there you go, with a diamond in it. That's pretty cool. Strange ordering here. So you've got the ace of spades at the back and the ace of clubs at the front and everything in between. So we'll have a look here. Start off with the ace of clubs, I suppose. So very nice. It's quite large, which is pretty good. It's better than a standard small pip in the middle. The indices are white with like a yellowy gold border. And it's got some little sort of drop work coming down from that here. Very cool. I mean, they're very smooth, and also it's very hard to see, but there is a sort of replica of that border on the face there. Very, very hard to see. It's very faint. See that there? No, probably not. That's pretty cool. Going into the royalty here. Very cool sort of negative reflection. Very quiet. It's very yellow, which is very cool. That yellow and black white looks very cool together. These look like sort of standard faces with the sort of enlarged pips, little drop down. I mean, the typeface looks pretty custom. Yeah, I love that yellow and red, yellow and white. I mean, I'm presuming it's supposed to be gold. Going into the hearts here, again, very nice. Does look a little bit cluttered with this artwork here and so many pips, but I mean, it'll gradually clear up space on the board, so to speak, as we get through. Just very nice. I love it. It reminds me of like the Tiger deck. Yeah, I'm liking this. It's very cool. I mean, the distinguishing features, not anything to do with the gold on the outside as well, because the reds still have that. It's the red and the white. And then here we go, the ace of spades, diamond deck, Sishou Playing Cards. That's really nice, actually. The proof will be in the handling. Ooh. Feels pretty fresh, you know. Put that out of the way so I don't lose the ace of spades in this. Oh, not as positive. They're a bit sort of stick together-y. Might just be because it's so new straight out of the packet, but generally I don't have that issue with bikes. Yeah, it's getting a bit grabby. I mean, the bend in them is really nice. Yeah. Feels nice. Looks epic. I love this sort of yellow. Big, it starts off quite big and gets very, very small. Same with that gold that you can see through here, and then giving the fan. Quite surprised. I mean, not expecting the deck to be terrible. It looks very nice from the outside. I wasn't sure how well it would handle. Seems to be holding up very well, apart from that Pharaoh shuffle there. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not perfect. Very cool. Looking at the back, so it's very much like the outside of the tuck case, except for the diamond sort of 3 or 4 textures of grey rather than that shiny chrome diamond look. But yeah, I like it. I like it quite a lot. The stock feels a lot smoother than the bicycle air cushioning finish, but you can see there that it is there. Yeah, they do clump together a little bit more than USPCC cards. Again, they feel pretty damn nice. Loving the ace, loving this sort of royal artwork on the back there. Tuck case is pretty spectacular. Combination there is just really good. Yeah, I'm impressed. Very, very cheap. I think these are like £3.50 or something from JP Games. Yeah, I like them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.